After learning Python, these are the most popular Python backend development frameworks you should learn. Quick overview of Python backend development frameworks. Feature comparison of Python backend development frameworks. Which framework should you choose? All of these frameworks are open source, widely used, and supported by active developer communities. Choose the one that best fits your project requirements. Choose Django, full-stack web applications, admin panel, authentication, and security. Choose FastAPI, high-performance APIs, AI/ML, microservices, and async applications. Choose Flask, lightweight APIs, prototypes, and flexible web applications. Choose the framework that best matches your project needs and development goals. What is Django? Django is a high-level, open-source Python web framework used to build secure, scalable, and maintainable web applications quickly. Why Django? Without Django, developers have to manually implement many common features, such as 1. User authentication, 2. Database operations, 3. URL routing, 4. Security, 5. Form validation, 6. Admin panel. Django provides all these features out of the box, enabling developers to build secure, scalable, and maintainable web applications faster with less code. Django architecture, MVT, model view template. What is FastAPI? FastAPI is a modern, high-performance Python web framework used to build RESTful APIs quickly and efficiently. In simple words, FastAPI helps developers build fast, secure, scalable, and high-performance APIs with minimal code. Why FastAPI? Without FastAPI, developers need to manually implement 1. Data validation, 2. API documentation, 3. Request parsing, 4. Error handling, 5. Serialization. FastAPI provides all these features automatically, enabling developers to build fast, secure, and scalable APIs with less code and minimal effort. Key features of FastAPI: 1. High performance. 2. Automatic API documentation. 3. Data validation with Pydantic. 4. Python type hints. 5. Async support. 6. Dependency injection. 7. Automatic JSON serialization. 8. Built-in security. FastAPI is commonly used for 1. AI and machine learning applications, 2. RESTful APIs, 3. Generative AI applications, 4. RAG, retrieval augmented generation systems, 5. LLM-based applications, 6. Chatbots and AI assistants, 7. Microservices, 8. Real-time applications. What is Flask? Flask is a lightweight, open-source Python web framework used to build web applications and RESTful APIs. It is called a micro-framework because it provides only the essential features, giving developers the flexibility to choose additional libraries as needed. In simple words, Flask is a simple, lightweight, and flexible Python framework that helps developers build web applications and APIs quickly. Why Flask? Flask is an excellent choice when you need 1. A lightweight framework. 2. Full control over your project structure. 3. Quick API development. 4. Prototype applications. 5. Microservices. Unlike Django, Flask does not include built-in features such as an ORM, admin panel, or authentication system. Instead, it provides the flexibility to choose and integrate only the libraries and components your project requires, making it ideal for lightweight and customizable applications. Key features of Flask: 1. Lightweight. 2. Flexible and minimalistic. 3. URL routing. 4. Jinja 2 template engine. 5. REST API support. 6. Extension support. 7. Built-in development server. What is REST API? A REST API, Representational States for Application Programming Interface, is a set of architectural principles that enables different applications to communicate with each other over the HTTP protocol. It allows clients and servers to exchange data using standard HTTP methods, such as get, post, put, patch, and delete. In simple words, a REST API acts as a bridge that enables different applications to communicate and exchange data over the internet using standard HTTP requests and responses. Key features of REST APIs: 1. Stateless communication. 2. Client-server architecture. 3. Resource-based URLs. 4. Supports JSON and XML5, uses standard HTTP methods. 6. Scalable and lightweight. 7. Platform independent. 8. Easy to integrate with web and mobile applications. Different HTTP methods. Get retrieves data from the server, does not modify existing data, used to fetch one or more resources. Parameters are typically passed in the URL. Safe and idempotent HTTP method, commonly returns data in JSON format. Post creates a new resource, sends data in the request body, used to submit or store new data on the server, may modify the server state, commonly returns the newly created resource or a success response. Put replaces an existing resource with new data, requires sending the complete resource, used to fully update an existing resource, overwrites the current resource with the new representation, typically returns the updated resource or a success response. Patch updates only specific fields of a resource, more efficient than put for partial updates, sends only the fields that need to be changed, does not replace the entire resource, typically returns the updated resource or a success response. Delete removes a resource from the server, deletes the specified resource permanently, requires the resource identifier ID in the URL, does not require a request body in most cases, typically returns a success status such as 200 OK or 204 no content after successful deletion.